My Windows 8 PC is running out of hard drive space. So what do? Install a second hard drive. Let's gear up. What do? What do? A Western Digital 2TB SATA hard drive. Phillips screwdriver. SATA cable. Oh, I forgot to buy the SATA cable. A Satan cable, or SATA, whatever you call it. And I think that's it. Now I need to gently remove my PC from underneath my desk. Come on. Come on. Come on, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. I just want to open you up and play with your guts. You should remove all the cables, but I'm lazy, so I'm just going to remove the power supply only. And the cables are pretty long, so I can just get away with this. Open up the side of the case. This side. That's the second screw, so let me take that out. Little groove right here I can push my hand into to pop the case open. So, there we go. I push that way. And then the guts. It's okay. I'll be gentle. Something concerning me. I mean, I'm on carpet. I have socks on. I'm wearing a wool sweater. Should I worry about static? Yeah, it should be fine. I can get those static bracelets where you put on your wrist and you hook it up to the side of the PC so it grounds you, but all you need to do is just touch the side, touch the casing, and you should get rid of your static. I have 1 cable, 2 cable, 3 cable. Oh, he said I could support up to 4 hard drives. He lied me. He lies me. Well, guess what, guys? I can't put a new hard drive in here because there's no extra wires. Nah, it has to be a way. There has to be a way. I'm missing something here. Think, boy, think. Now I could disconnect the Blu-ray player. I don't want to do that. I need a Blu-ray player. It's really frustrating. Think. Well, I failed. I can't install this hard drive because no power supply for it. So I guess next time. I'm so annoyed at myself with my stupidity. Yay, stupidity! High five! I'm not stupid. I got a brain. I got brains. I'm not stupid. I got brains. Okay. I want to show you something. This is a 4-pin Molex connector. No, don't go in there. This is a SATA connection. Oof, don't pull that. This 4-pin Molex won't fit in that SATA. So what do? You go outside in the cold, through the snow, and get a Molex to SATA converter. 4-pin SATA, 4-pin SATA, 4-pin SATA, 4-pin SATA, 4-pin SATA. Snap. Okay. Physics is in. And then I should be able to fit it into the SATA connector. Perfect, it fits, okay. So put it to the side, nicely. Okay. Now I need to figure out how to get this hard drive in there. Will it fit through here? Will it fit? You gonna fit? You gonna fit? Let me in. No. I think I'm gonna have to go to the front. You see the slot right here? All this is in the way. There's a little hole in the front. I'm gonna have to get in there, open it from the front, and push it in. Okay. See this right here? I open this up and push the hard drive through. Question is, how do I open this up? Yeah, me in. I'm thinking I should take this whole plastic thing off. It snapped. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Comes up that simply. Hard drive goes like this. Dry the SATA connector. Pins facing towards the ground. Oh, look at that. So I'm gonna pull it out a little so I can get this piece to cover this hole. Oh, there you go. Snapping. Really snapping. Pretty good. Front snapping. I ruined this. So you see the screws? They need to attach right there. All I need to get the screws from the hard drive. Where's the screws? They send me screws Uh-oh, I don't want to go back outside. It's cold and snowy. I don't want to do it. I got screws. I got screws. I got screws. I don't know what screws would work, so I got a whole bunch of different ones. My hands are not that skinny. So it's gonna be very interesting to try and get in there. You can do it. Jump in. Jump in. It's okay. No! It fell in there. Come on. Come on, 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 got it! Rip it out and put it in 2 seconds. Like, nothing like that. Don't tighten it up too much. Get the other screw in first. Ah, shoot. I got no clue where it went. Oh, damn it, it fell. There you go. Ha 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 ha. Chopstick technique. Because I don't know how to do a chopstick, so. Hold it. Oh, okay. No! You don't want to go in that hole. Wrong hole. That's the belly button. Yeah! It disappeared. There you go. I hear you. Let's try you. Maybe you'll behave this time. There you go. That's the hole you want. I got the Molex to SATA connector. Oh no! Did I break something? See this piece? It's missing the top. It's stuck in the main hard drive. Ah. Let me get the other hard drive and I'll think later. So, you know what? There are screws on the other side. I think I should get in a screw right here and a screw in the bottom. Come up. Aha! Look at the paneling. Here's the new hard drive. The screws, you can see the screws right there. All I gotta do is screw it in. That should be good. Ah, it's nice and... What the hell? Oh! I didn't screw in the right thing. What the hell did I screw in? It's golden in there. See, it's gold? That's for something else. My drive's right there. Down. Get ready for the power supply. It being the power supply right there into the SATA connector, or Satan connector. Now I'm gonna get the Satan cable, connect it. It's probably better videos and more detail how this is done, but this is just me messing around. I should connect it right there, Hit with my middle finger right there. Boop. There you go. Gotta fix my main hard drive. So I busted that guy. I'm just removing this bad one. Back connector. Top pod broke off. Ah, I got it off. Hey, where's my head? It's gone, I'm sorry. I broke you off by accident. See that little slither on this left side? It needs to go to that side. Won't snap in, so I'm gonna go snap. Orange to the orange. To my main hard drive. Red to this one, the new hard drive. And I think that's it. Some moment of truth, let's plug it back in. There you go. Here it is. It's unallocated. So let me right click on it. Yeah, I'll give it D. The quick format. Yeah, that looks good. Do his thing. Aha! Look, this D. There you go. So I'm good to go. This took about 3 hours to do. Probably would have been quicker if I didn't have to go outside. Now all I need to do is close the case up, put it back underneath my desk, call it a day. So one thing I learned is to make sure you know what's in your PC before buying parts, because it sucks to waste so much money and then not be able to install it. I was lucky that there was a converter for my Molex to a SATA. I think that's it. See you next time. So the bunny goes in the... What'd you do? What? Woo!